Hi there, this is the k sound, as in the words can, come, and kid. The k sound is from the consonant pairs group, and it's called the voiceless velar stop. This means that you use the back of your tongue to block airflow from the throat. The k sound is made through the mouth and is unvoiced, which means that you don't use your vocal cords to make the sound. It's defined by the position of your tongue, and it's a stop sound, which is a sound made by building up air pressure by stopping airflow and then releasing it. In this case, you stop the airflow between the middle of your tongue and the top of your mouth. To produce the sound, push the tongue forward so the middle curls up and touches the top of your mouth, blocking the airflow. At the same time, build up some air pressure by gently trying to breathe out. The sound is made when you release the air pressure by dropping the tongue. K, k, k. The k sound is normally spelled with the letter C or K, as in the words cool and weak. But it can also be spelled with the letters QU, as in the word require, or with an X, as in the word six. Here are some words that begin with the k sound. Course, country, keep, and consider. Here are some words with the k sound in the middle. Become, school, box, and socks. Here are some words with the k sound at the end. Make, think, take, and like. So that's it for the k sound. But we've made additional videos on each of the groups of sounds: vowels, diphthongs, single consonants, and consonant pairs, as well as a video explaining the phonetic chart. You can also click on any of the symbols behind me to see a video similar to this, with lots of examples and an explanation of how to pronounce that sound. At the English Language Club, we also offer live online classes via Skype or Google Hangouts. To make a booking with me or one of our other teachers, visit our website. You can also follow us on Twitter and Facebook. So please do get in touch. We'd love to hear from you.